the expansive air of dense forests meeting the rugged shoreline of Lake Superior, with the Copper Harbor House emerging from the landscape like a natural extension of its surroundings. In a remote area of Michigan's Upper Peninsula, where the natural beauty of Lake Superior draws the eye, the Copper Harbor House stands as both a retreat and a testament to thoughtful design. With a palette of durable, locally inspired materials, such as reclaimed wood and steel, its architecture reflects the timeless resilience of its surroundings. Large windows frame dynamic views, blurring the lines between interior and exterior. At the heart of the Copper Harbor House is the living room, a cozy sanctuary framed by the nature beyond. Flooded with light from floor-to-ceiling windows, the space invites the outdoors in, with every element designed to highlight the beauty of its surroundings. Plush, low-slung seating is arranged to encourage conversation while preserving views of the surrounding forest and lake. The aesthetic is simple yet refined, a seamless blend of rustic charm and contemporary elegance. The dining room flows effortlessly from the living room, which is characterized by its understated elegance and functionality. A handcrafted wood dining table takes center stage, its natural grain echoing the textures of the wilderness outside. Above it, minimalist lamps cast a warm glow, creating an intimate setting for family gatherings or quiet dinners. This openness blurs the boundaries between spaces, encouraging togetherness and connection while maintaining an airy, uncluttered feel. The site's rear terrace itself defines the home's form. Positioned to maximize views of Lake Superior and the dramatic shoreline, the home blends into its surroundings, offering space for gathering, contemplation, and connection with nature. Bedrooms offer a tranquil retreat, blending comfort with the serenity of the surrounding wilderness. Large windows frame ever-changing views of the forest and lake, filling the spaces with natural light and a sense of connection to the outdoors. Soft, neutral tones dominate the interiors, complemented by natural wood accents and plush textiles that evoke warmth and relaxation. Fade to a serene sunset shot of the home, with warm light spilling out the windows onto the rocky terrain. Copper Harbor House is more than just a place to live. It is a dialogue between architecture and nature, a place where the beauty of design and the majesty of nature come together in perfect balance.